It's combined peanut cleaning and shelling machine. The cleaning machine at the left side is to remove the stalk, and other impurities inside the peanut, and the peanut shiller is used to get clean peanut kernels. This bag is to collect the peanut stalk. The outlet of clean peanut. It can run steadily. The outlet of clean peanut kernels. It can equipped with 3 layers or 4 layers screen that can select the peanut with the same size, improving shelling rate. The cleaning rate is more than 98%. We have 4 models this machine, and their capacity ranges from 700 kg per hour to 9,500 kg per hour. The peanut inlet. The strong power draught fan fully blew out the peanut shells. The flying crushed peanut shells. Please click our website to know more.